So hi guys, welcome to Learn with Preetham. In the previous demo, we see that how we can add an employee and fetch the particular data of an employee from its employee ID. So now in this demo, I will show you how we can update a particular data or some data of an employee with a HTTP put method. So yeah, for this purpose, I will go first inside the iCosmos DB service and add a new service. Let's say task update employee async, and it will return. It will need uh, only the int employee ID and employee. Okay, so it will need this. Save this and go to Cosmos DB service. Go above, refactor this, add the interface. It will be added below here. Now okay, now I'll do first async and then I'll use await underscore container dot update item async. Okay, so it will need new partition key employee and partition key is employee ID. So I have already used employee ID as a partition key. So here as well I need to use ID as a partition key. So for that particular purpose I need to have like it is saying ID as a string and I am using integer as employee ID. So let me go here and make it as string and use it as ID and come here. Okay, so I'll use ID. Fine, that is also fine. Now change it to string ID. Okay, so yeah, the update item async will do the work. So now I'll go to controller class and inside here I'll go below and do HTTP put and update employee and I'll use public async and task action result. The action result is taking action result and then update employee and it will take string ID and what kind of data I want to add, like string ID and then let's say employee. I want to do employee. Okay, then the first thing it will do, it will create an employee. Let me give it as emp. Okay, employee equal await Cosmos DB service dot get employee async and it will take, no, for that particular purpose I don't want to use get employee async. For this I want to do one more thing, that is I'll go here, I'll create another task, that is task the task is employee type, and it will get a sync. Yeah, a sync. Inside that it will take string id, nothing. Yeah, that is created. Now I go here, go above, refactor this, implement the interface. It will come here, not here, it will be coming, okay, where it is going, yeah, here. And then id, now here I will do try catch. Yeah, inside try block I'll do where response equal await, I'll use where response equal await, and sorry, yeah, container dot read item sync, maybe employee, okay, and it will take id, new partition key, that is nothing but id, okay. And yeah, here now I will do return response, okay, and in the catch I'll do cosmos exception and return null. I'll do null. Yeah, so this is also done in the ruby context file. Now I can do one thing, sorry, in the controller. Now I can get a sync, and it will take the id. Yeah, now the employee dot employee id equal emp dot employee id. I'll map everything. Employee dot name equal emp dot name, and employee dot department equal emp dot department, employee dot salary equal emp dot salary. That is also done. Then await underscore cosmos, okay, cosmos db service dot update employee async, and it will take id and employee, okay. And then I will return okay, and it will say as employee details updated successfully, okay. So this is also done. Let me build this code, and let me see if I can get the update employee method in the Swagger UI or not. Okay, the build is successful. Now I run the code. Okay, so you can see this, the put method is already there. If I make it try out, see, there is one id and a request body. So I'll give the id. Let's say let me first get all the employees. I'll do try out, execute. I need the id of a particular employee. Okay, so let me change this details. see, I'll take this ID and I don't want to change anything. You should not do anything here. Then employee ID is 3. Let me give it as 3. The updated test, and also copy this and paste it here. Let me change it to some other value. Okay. Now the data is getting updated. Let me execute this. Let me see if I can get any response here. Yeah, you can get the code as 200 and it is saying employee details updated successfully. Let me see in this section. If I execute this again, yeah, you can see updated test. So all these things are getting updated here. So my put method is also running well. Never. Yeah. So that is it for this demo. And now in the next video we will see how we can delete a particular employee. We will try to delete this employee and the last employee we have updated. So stay tuned for this next video. Bye guys.